Founded in 2010 in Kuzhou, Zhejiang Province, Shine enjoys global reputation. It builds up overseas warehouses in China and Southeast Asia, and forms strategic cooperative relations with the top 3 brands in various regions. Our business includes home lighting, commercial lighting, clothing lighting, outdoor lighting, office scene lighting, and commercial complex. We help our customers to provide industry chain trend and product analysis reports, assist customers to develop new products, and do matrix marketing, quickly capture the market. As the backbone of lighting supply chain, the company focuses on providing full-link supply chain solutions and has established a Shine CNC business unit. CNC products cutting, stamping, sanding, riveting, electrophoresis, and so on. Shine Die Casting Injection Molding Division. Shine Power Division, Electronic Components Plug-in, Wave Soldering. Shine Lighting Division, responsible for the production of commercial lighting and outdoor lighting products and provide OEM, ODM services. Production line with assembly, welding, aging test, packaging and printing, laminating, sticky box and other processes, and has a special QC laboratory for product testing. Looking to the future, Shine looks forward to 100 years of steady development, step by step, in a changing market environment, innovation-driven, quality-oriented lifeline. We are committed to building a more open, collaborative and efficient industrial chain and operating platform. We believe that by deepening the relationship with our partners, we will jointly explore new opportunities in the lighting industry, become the most respected partner of the company,